Django key field equals is duplicated. This question had been asked before here, but for a different scenario. I am working on a Django/wagtail project. At some point I had to modify a model and add some fields. Accidentally I included flag unique equals true for a new field. This way, when making migrations and migrating, it yelled this issue. Then I realized the mistake, removed the unique equals true and left it like this. I made the migrations and migrated again, expecting the issue to go away. However, I get the same issue. How can I solve this? This is the last migrations. And this is the trace. The traceback is telling you that the error occurs when you try to run migration 0025. The output of Python manage.py show migrations tells you that migrations 0025 to 0030 have not been applied. Therefore, it should be safe to delete these migrations. You might want to back them up to be on the safe side. You can then rerun make migrations and migrate to recreate and run new migrations.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.